Hi guys, how you all doing? I hope you are having a lovely day and I hope you liked my last DIY video. So I was requested to show how to make palazzo pants, and as you know guys, I don't have any professional training, but I'm just going to show you the little knowledge that I've gained over the few years on how I make my pants. So I folded my fabric like that, and then so today I'm just using this pair of shorts, and then I cut out the pattern, and you notice that I cut it straight from the thigh going downwards. It's just a straight pattern. I'm just cutting it as straight as I can before I shape it at the top. So I cut two of these pieces and then I fold them over in half, and then onto the inside seam I just put some pegs. And then I just go ahead and then I sew this part down. And I also do the same thing for the other piece. So after I've stitched the inside seams, I now put them together like that, and then I now join the crotch area all the way up to the waist. And I do this on the front and also on the back. Then I just go ahead and then I sew it down. So you notice that on the sides there are no open seams, but what I like to do is I just like to go on that edge and then I pin it down and then I sew it. And but before I do that, I just mark the point where I'm going to put the zip, because to just make it look uniform so that I have seams on both sides, and then I just go ahead and then I stitch it down. So the good thing about this is that I'm not going to have any open seams on this side at least. So after stitching the side seams, I now take my pants and then I fold them like that. So now the front seam is on the side, and then I mark about 2 inches down from the top. Then I take my curved ruler and then I just draw a curve like that. And then I just go ahead and then I cut this part out. So that is the shape that I now have at the front. Then I go to the back and then I start to insert my darts. I insert about 2-inch wide darts at the back, about 4 inches long. Then I just pin the darts down.
You're a rolling
Then I just go ahead and I stitch my darts. This just gives it a little bit more shape at the back. And after that, I now go on to the waistband. This is my waistband. It's about the same length as my waist, and then I iron on some interfacing. Then after that, I now started to pin it onto the rest of the pants. But before I did this, I was actually supposed to fold it on one edge and then hem it. But I only realized after I'd sewed. So there my waistband has already been pinned onto my pants, and then I just went ahead and then I sewed it. And make sure that I'm doing this right sides facing each other. Then after that, so I now went back to the waistband now, and then I started folding in that edge and just ironing. And then I now hemmed it on the sewing machine, so that when I now fold it over inside, there will be no raw edges. And I just started doing that, folding the waistband inside and just ironing. Then after that, I now went back to that little space of the zip that I had cut open, and then I inserted my zip. Then I went to the bottom, and then I started to make this like cuffs at the bottom, just folding it in about 2 times. So you basically just have to fit your pants and see where they have to end. And then I just sewed it down. So at that point the pants were basically done. But the thing about making fitted pants like this is that you have to put them on and off again and make adjustments as you go. And I'm really pleased with the way it came out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any tips for me, please share them with me in the comments. I'm still learning, and I would really very much like to learn some more. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.